you guys see the website in front of you? I'm going to show you how to recreate this in less than 10 minutes for any business that you want. All you have to do is plug in their original business, for example, Blue Romeo luxury level cleaning for everyday living, and then you plug it into a website remodel skill using Fable 5, and you get something like this. Taking a step back, I got a comment recently on an old AI skill rebuilds any websites video saying that no one would want to pay for websites, even if they're really high quality, unless they're making money. So funny enough, I had a friend reach out and he said, yo, can you recreate my website? I'll literally pay you. And that's how this idea stemmed. Technically using Fable 5 is a little overkill for redesigning a website, but it is the best. So when you use it, you are able to one-shot websites with this level of quality. Okay, moving on, the actual architecture of the build. So I originally had a website remodel skill from this video that was put together from a bunch of professional website designers and etc. And by combining Fable 5 as the design brain and then using Higgsfield to render the 3D images, you're able to create a premium 3D website. So why is this so useful? A website of this quality used to cost 5 to 10K a while ago, and it still is in some regard. But you could go in there and pitch it for 500 to 1,000, and I'm pretty sure they're going to bite. You could rebuild their website within an hour or two, and then you could just show it to them as a demo. Okay, let me walk you through the steps on how you're going to build this. So I'm expecting you to already have Claude Code set up on your terminal or anti-gravity or whatever IDE that you're using. You're going to connect Higgsfield CLI. So if you go on over to Higgsfield and there's a button at the top, MCP and CLI. The reason why you're going to use CLI is, other than the fact that it says if you're using Claude Code, OpenClaw, Hermes, it's better to use CLI. The reasoning behind that is because MCP is like handing Claude Code a menu of ingredients or even just finished products, right? And telling it, okay, what do you want to choose from? CLI is basically handing over the kitchen and being like, get to work, do whatever you want. So it gives Claude Code a lot more access and the ability to be able to download those files onto the computer and be able to show you directly instead of having to work through stuff one by one. I hope that makes sense. If you hit CLI, you could just copy and paste this into Claude Code as well as sign in to give it authentication, and you should be good to go. Just to clarify, Higgsfield is just a place where all the different image and video AI generation tools are hosted, such as Seedance 2.0 or GPT Image 2 or etc. So you're just getting access to all that. And what the workflow kind of looks like is you have a skill built out on Claude Code called website remodel or whatever, 3D websites. You toss in an old website such as this one. It pulls all the colorways like the blue, the white, the peaches color, and it understands the context of what the website is. So a cleaning company based in Tampa Bay. And then it proceeds to use Higgsfield and whichever model is the best to generate videos and images that are relevant towards the company. That's how you end up with this, with the Tampa Bay skyline in the background and showcasing like a clean living room, parts like identity check, or even having the cleaning hand animation. All I did was paste in this website and it understood, okay, like I know my task now. And that's why Fable 5 is kind of goated right now. Oh, and last but not least, we've talked about this many times, but I would recommend just using Netlify to host the website. This is where I host a lot of my stuff, as well as AI Waterside or past projects that I've built out. It's free. So that way you can test out and create as many websites as you want and just host it within Netlify and be able to share this until a client or whoever actually wants the website, and then you can hand it over to them. They can connect it to a domain. So highly recommend Netlify for that use case. Okay, last but not least, in order to get the skill, you're just going to head on over to the free school community. I'll drop it within the Claude Code folder. So how do you get there? So when you join Wavemakers, you can go to Classroom, all YouTube resources, and right underneath here, I'll have the skill downloadable as well as all these tools and everything mentioned below. You can download it. Once you download it, build out as many websites as you want, tweak the skill however you want. Whenever the website's being created, it's going to push the code to GitHub. So you're also going to have to set that up. And that's completely free, I should mention. And then that's going to host the website on Netlify. And eventually you could connect it to a domain through Namecheap or GoDaddy, etc. And once the website's live, you can add to it. You can create Calendly forms. You can create a whole database beneath it. Like that's the same way we do it for AI Waterside, where we have the contact page. If you click schedule a call, it connects to Calendly. If you click client portal, it brings you over to their specific dashboard. So there's a lot you could build out, is what I'm saying. It's very customizable compared to having someone else build your website or using WordPress or something like that to showcase. So I'm still reiterating the AI Waterside V3 website, but this is what it's created so far. And this is just pasting my old website and saying, okay, like create something more premium. And I think it already did a really good job. I think I just want a higher quality banner image and stuff. You can see how useful this is because I'm hosting it for free. I can customize at any time, anything, compared to hosting something on WordPress or Hostinger where you're paying $20 a month or you're paying more to unlock more customization. Okay, and that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys get the chance to mess around and create some websites for your own or for potential clients, and good luck and happy building.